But in the midst of all that, we have to live. We have to live our lives, we have to fight for that, we have to live the way we want. And I tell anybody to his face to go to hell. If anyone comes around and thinks they can, they come and say, hey, we're going to sanction you. To what? Go to hell. Mwiriwe neza mwese. Ngira ngo biroroshye wenda kugera aho mpera. Ndahera ku mateka Bizimana yatubwiye. Arambuye afite ibimenyetso ashingiyeho. Ariko ndagira ngo mbanze nshimire mwese abari hano mwaje kwifatanya n'igihugu n'Abanyarwanda, cyane cyane mwebwe abaturuka hanze mu bindi bihugu cyangwa abihagarariye hano mu gihugu cyacu. Ndabashimira kuko kenshi ko dusigaye tubibona ko bisigaye biri ukuri ntabwo kukigenderwaho. Ni nacyo gituma, ariko reka mvugane, hari umuntu w'inshuti yanjye wigeze kumbaza ati ariko wowe nk'umuntu ubaho ute ugahuza bimwe, ndaza kubivuga mu rurimi rw'amahanga. Arambaza ati ubaho ute ugahuza the dark past and the cruel present. But how do you manage that? Ariko uko nabyumvaga ntabwo ari igihe yabazaga gusa, yabazaga u Rwanda. Uvuga ngo u Rwanda mubaho muti, with a very dark past and a very cruel present. Icyo namushubije nuko from the beginning we were under an illusion that the two were siblings and we had to deal with them as such. You have to deal with the cruel present, knowing that it is very, very much related to the dark past. They are inseparable. So for us, we have a choice to make. You are either crushed in between and you stop existing, or you stand up and fight. When people are saying in the testimony that the hope they have, and that what happened here 30-something years ago will never happen again. It won't be because of those who were responsible for that dark past will not try again, or are not even trying now again. It will not happen again just because there will be people who will stand up and fight. It's not because there are fewer people who wish to perish, or who would have wished us all to disappear, this country to disappear. But how can people accept that? How can people not stand up and fight? Because anyway, well, there is a risk you may die when you stand up to fight. But if you don't, it's a sure thing you are going to die. So why don't I try the former? Why don't I try to stand up and fight with the chance that you might survive and live on your life as you want it, instead of giving up and you let people treat you as if for you to live, it's a favor that they are going to do for you. Why? I've also had people come to me and warn me and say, President, you know you are too vocal, you say things that challenge these people who have the power in their hands, and they're going to kill you. Well, first of all, it means they are killers. But my answer to them is, you know what? If I were to be there to just accept these things to happen, I don't think I would count myself as living anyway.